What if you can create a chatbot which makes you $700 every month and it took 2 minutes of your time? So that's what we are gonna do today. Now people might think chatbot industry is dying. It's shrinking. People are paying $50, $100, $200 max for a chatbot a month. Now that's a myth. Look at this guy. He's selling his chatbot for 70,000 rupees on Fiverr, which is around $700. Now let's think about big businesses like Gucci. Gucci doesn't have a chatbot. Now let's think of someone who gets all of his sales from his website. Amazon doesn't have a chatbot. So what makes you think these new businesses, new startups, small businesses, small startups would have a chatbot on their website? Now that's where the opportunity lies. Now a chatbot might be cheap because you're just selling a chatbot. You guys might think, oh, we'll sell a chatbot which talks on website and people would pay $1,000 for it. That's a myth. People won't pay $1,000 for that kind of stuff. They can make it at their home. Now, what would people pay thousands of dollars for is a system which brings them money as they sleep. Now that system would be something like a chatbot plus email marketing system plus SMS marketing system. Now a chatbot will take all of the data on the website and send it to an email marketing campaign or an SMS marketing campaign or both. It will take all of the names, it will take all of the emails, the numbers, and just get more leads. And leads is gold for these kinds of businesses. So that's a system that I'm going to teach you how to make, and this is just the first step of it. So you can grab the template of this specific automation from the description. I'll leave my number in the description. You can directly WhatsApp me and I'll give you the template. Now what you'll need to do is just copy the template, which is, for example, this guy, he asked me for a template and he got one, and this was the automation. Now you can just completely copy it like this and paste it in your NetN. Now it would look like this. Now this is a completely different automation. What it would look like is, it would look like this. Now there are only two things that you will need to configure over here, which is the OpenAI node and the prompt. First, let's check out how to set up the credential. Now to create a credential, you need an OpenAI API account, which would look something like this. Once you log in with the account that you want to, you will land over here. Then you'll need to go into the settings. Then you will see your organization ID over here. Copy it, paste it over here. Then create a new API key. Now name it anything like NetN, and then select a default project. Then create that secret key and copy it once you get it, because that's the only time that you're gonna see this key. So save it somewhere safe. Then paste it as well. Then you're good to go. You have your credential set up. Save it, and then you have your OpenAI node. Once that's done, the only thing that you need to change is the prompt. Now you can just copy this prompt. This prompt has a special secret sauce that I'm not gonna drop in this one. I'll maybe drop it in the next one. So you can just go ahead, check out the prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. This has a special skeleton which is unique to this prompt, and you can just paste it and ask it to optimize it for your specific business. For example, let's say you have business of second-hand cars. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna say just optimize this prompt for a car dealership which sells pre-used cars in Texas. Now what's it gonna do is, it is gonna optimize the prompt while keeping the same structure. Once it's done, writing the prompt, you can just copy it like this and paste it over here. Then you're good to go. That's it, and you are done with your chatbot. Now if you want to deliver it, first you'll need to set up a demo with your client. And don't worry guys, you'll have clients because you're following me. So what you'll do is, you will copy this specific URL and just send it to your client. Once you send it, he'll be able to talk with the chatbot, and that will be your demo. Now when you are done with the demo and you close the client, you'll need to change this to an embedded chat, because then you need to deliver on your promise. So change this to embedded chat and then click over here. As you can see, click over here. Once you go there, just scroll down, and this is the code that we are looking for. Copy this code completely and paste it somewhere. Once you paste it, you will need to add your specific URL which you copied over here. This one. Just copy it and paste it in between these two codes, your production webhook URL, and then you're good to go. Now all you need to do is just you'll need to send this specific line of code to your client, and he'll be able to add the chatbot element to his website. If he's on WordPress, he'll just add an element, or whatever he's on, he can just add an element and add that specific chatbot. Now you're done with the first step. That was pretty easy and you can do it. I've explained everything. I also do have an AI automation agency. If you're looking for getting some business done for your specific agency, do let me know. I'll leave the link in the description as well, and you'll have my number in the description, so you can just call me or WhatsApp me. Now the next steps, the next automations about SMS marketing and email marketing, I'll be making those and making a video on that one pretty soon. So do subscribe so you'll get notified when that drops. So that was about it, and I'll see you in the next one.